Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about user-defined exceptions in Java, part of programming in Java course. In Java, it's also possible to create custom or user-defined exceptions. A user-defined exception is a class that extends the exception or runtime exception class. Here is an example of how to create a custom exception. In this example, invalid age exception is a user-defined exception class that extends the exception and has a constructor that takes a message as an argument. This custom exception can be thrown and caught in the same way as any other exception. It is important to create custom exceptions to make your code more readable and maintainable. For example, when an error occurs, it is easier to understand what went wrong and how to fix it if the error message is specific to the problem at hand. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.